Renting a Birkin, Hermes Bag rentals. Ah! Okay, we're gonna do a quick video about the perks of renting a Birkin. Perks of renting an Hermes bag from LuxeDuJour, which I'm obsessed with. I cannot get enough of this, and I want you guys to get on board too, okay? I can't. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're gonna do the perks of renting a Birkin from LuxeDuJour, okay? My perks, my favorite tips, and the last one's the best, obviously. Okay, so if that's me, you're interested, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, so as you guys know, I've been renting these bags from LuxeDuJour, which is a company based out of Irvine and Canada, and they have Birkins and Kellys for rent. First of all, I think this is the only company that does that, where you can rent these high luxury expensive bags and rent them for a fraction of the cost. So one, you're getting a bag at a fraction of the cost. Two, you're getting to try out a bag and really try it out, see how you like it, see how it wears at home, at the office, at work, you know, in the car, out to dinner, where you're gonna put it down, how it's gonna fit in your life, how big is it, how clunky is it, how heavy is it, how it feels in your body, how it feels holding it, ways to carry it, how it actually would be day to day using the bag instead of just trying it on in the store for 5 to 10 minutes and then making a plunge of, you know, $10, $15, $20,000 on a bag without really knowing, and then, you know, finding out later. It's a great way to try test it out. You know, not those 5 minutes, 10 minutes you have in the store or whatever. 2, 3, whatever. A great way to test out a different leather if there's a certain leather you want to try, but you don't know if it's going to fit in your lifestyle too, if it's like more durable, less durable, scratch, blah, 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 how it like actually feels, what using that leather, those fancier leathers, those most exotic leathers, those more delicate leathers, or a hardware you want to try out, or a color you want to try out. Let's say there's a certain color that's not a classic neutral or something that you don't normally wear, but you want to try it out and see if you actually like it, if it goes with your outfit, you can do that. Or converse, also, if there's like something you want to match an out for a specific event, a red, a pink, a bright green that you don't have a bag in that color, you want to match just for one event, but you don't want to take the plunge and buy that bag forever because you're not going to wear it that much, you can rent done for the week. 6, you're renting at a fraction of the cost, a very, very small fraction of the cost. Yes, over time you might end up spending the same amount as the actual bag, but instead of getting that one bag, you're getting multiple bags and multiple uses, multiple different colors over multiple weeks and months. Try different things, different styles, blah, blah, blah. And also like you can just like try a bunch of things and getting more bang for your buck. Take the photos, take the videos, like whatever. 7, 8, whatever, I don't know what I'm around, 7. Oh, you don't have to play the romance, you don't have to play the game. You get a bag right now, how you want it. Just like buying it, but renting it, and then you don't have to keep it. Now, you could be a little less precious for it. It's not yours. Normal wear and tear, you can just use it right away. You don't have to feel like delicate or precious or take your time. Just start using it, right? Normal wear and tear is covered. Anything else that happens to it, anything that's out of the normal wear and tear, you just pay a little bag spa service fee to have it serviced and spa'd. Did I say trying out a different bag style? Like if there's a bag style you have never worn or don't even know if you don't want to add to your wish list or take the plunge and try and get, this is a great way to try the bag style, not a normal style or something you don't have. It'll make your collection look a lot bigger than it is, and no one will be the wiser. And your friends, your family, whoever you want to show off to or whatever you want to do, they will never ever know, and you can literally look like you have way more bags than you actually do, and they don't ever need to know. I don't know if I already did the last one. The actual last one is that I want you to do it because I like to do it, and I want you guys to try it because I like it, and everything I like, I feel like you guys will like because we are the same. And I really enjoy this, so I feel like you will. Last one is that I have a discount code. So whatever the fraction of the cost price you're paying, fraction it 20% even more, MAYANK 20 to get 20% off a rental, or MAYANK to buy, because they also, 12, 13, 14, whatever, next one, they also have really competitive prices on buying bags out. If you want to buy a bag out, if you want to try it out and you like it, then you can buy it out. Or if there's some other bag you want to get, they have really, really good competitive pricing, and they have a storefront. You can go there and try it on. They're so nice. They're so friendly. They're so kind. I love them there. Oh, also, it's not just these. Like the other services, they have the other bags too. They have Chanel, they have Guar, they have Louis Vuitton, they have other brands. You can rent other bags too and get 20% on those too. And some of them are like $50 to rent. So you're getting another like $40, you know? If you want something a little more unique, rare, or something like that, you can try renting like this rose gold hardware. In a size 25 rose gold, you know how long it would take to get this from the store, how much pre-spend you'd have to do, how much you'd have to wait, and then also don't even know if you'd ever still get offered it. This way, just get it. Okay, anyway, those are all my thoughts. Those are all my thoughts. Hope that was helpful, and I hope you guys do. Please let me know if you do in the comments below. I would love for you guys to try it, okay? That's all I got, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.